Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. In the last subseries, we talked about scalar valued function, and in this subseries, we will learn table valued function. In this very first video of this subseries, we will get introduced to table valued function. So as already told, we already know how to create scalar valued function, and the function can participate in select as well as where class. Why? Because scalar valued function, we know that returns a scalar value. That means it will return a single value t. That's why it can participate in the select list, or it can be part of the where class. I mean, the return value can be used in select as well as where class. So that's about scalar valued function. Table valued function returns a table. That means rows and columns of data. So it can be used in from class, because from class expects a table. So table can be supplied to this from class. That means you can use the function in the from class of the query. Simply speaking, TVF is suitable to invoke in TSQL, where a table can be substituted. That means in TSQL you can keep the or you can call the table valued function in the from class, or you can even call that in the table joins. There are two kind of table valued functions. One is inline table valued function, and another one is multi-line table valued function. In this subseries, we will create both these kind of table valued function. Right, that's all here in this video. There is no demo in here. Thank you for watching. Bye.